This video will show you how to delete your YouTube account on your phone step by step in 1 minute. First, you need to go to the YouTube application on your device. Then, in the lower right corner, click on your account icon. In the new window, you need to click on Google Account. Then click on the Data and Privacy button. Here you need to scroll to the Delete Google Service item and click on it. Then enter the password for your Google account. Click on the button next to the YouTube icon. Check the boxes and click Delete My Content. Enter your email to which the YouTube channel is registered. And click on the Delete My Content button for the last time. That's it, your YouTube channel has been deleted. If the video was useful, then be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching.